Children, today I am going to teach you step by step drawing. Okay, how to draw elephant. Okay, first I'll start with drawing the lines. Okay, here already I have drawn the borders. Observe neatly. So below this border line I am going to draw the line. Okay, observe neatly. I'm going to draw the line. Yeah, I'm going to draw the line. Observe neatly, children. Okay, here I have drawn the rectangle shape. Okay, so what you have to do is, now you have to draw the circle. Okay, in this rectangle I'll show you how you have to draw. I'll take better red color pencil so that you can understand. See, I'll draw circle like this in this square. Okay, after this leave some space and draw oval like this. Draw oval like this. Okay, circle and oval. Okay, so after this what you have to do is, this is the first step. Okay, see, after drawing circle and oval, so what you have to do is, the next step is, see, observe neatly. The next step is, you have to draw this trunk. Observe neatly. Just a line like this. So after this, the next step is, see here, observe neatly. The next step is, just you have to draw one more line like this and draw like this. Okay, this is the third step. So after this we'll come here. Okay, the ear part. Okay, so how you have to draw this ear part, I'll show you. See, this is the circle. Just you have to join this oval. Okay, just you have to join this oval and one more line like this, one more line like this, two lines. Then after this, just you have to connect like this line. Okay, observe neatly, children. You have to draw two lines, then you have to connect this line, then you have to erase this line. Okay, you have to erase this line. And the next step is, see, here you have to complete the face part. Okay, face part you have to complete. Then this ear part and like this. Okay, so after this, the next step is, just draw the eyes like this. Then the legs part. Okay, how you have to draw this legs, I'll show you now. See, so this is the oval, right? So from here, the ear part where it will end, there you have to draw two rectangles like this. Okay, or just draw random two lines like this and one more line like this. Okay, just you have to draw line like this with the shape. Okay, the next step is, the same lines you have to draw here also. See here, just draw same two lines like this like this. That's it. So basic sketch is finished. Yes. Now what you have to do is, see, I'll take black color sketch pen and I'll start giving the outline. Sorry, before going to draw this, you have to erase this square, whatever you had drawn before. You have to erase those lines. Yeah, you have to see, children, while drawing the legs, see whatever the lines you have drawn in red color mark, observe neatly. So this is the first leg, and then don't draw all these lines. Okay, observe neatly how I am drawing. That's it. The next part is, yes, that's it. Okay, and then after drawing everything, take eraser, then you have to erase all the lines whatever you have drawn before. So it is very easy, children. Do practice, and I'll show you coloring now, how you have to color. See, you can take oil pencils, color pencils, or wax crayons, anything you can take. So here I am using color pencil. Okay, observe neatly. Yeah, I'll start with the coloring. Here I have taken gray color pencil. Okay, just very lightly you have to color. Entire full elephant drawing full you have to color with gray color pencil. Observe neatly, children, like how I am coloring. See, slowly and neatly you have to color in one direction. I'll show you so that you can understand. See, you have to color like this in one direction, and very smoothly you have to color. Okay, no need to color very hard. Smoothly you have to move your pencil. Observe neatly. See, children, after coloring the elephant, what you have to do is, see, in the edges you have to make it a bit dark. Okay, you have to do the dark. I'll show you now how you have to do. See, in the edges you have to make it bit dark. Observe neatly. Same for this as well. Observe neatly. Yeah. And here the stomach part, here also you have to make it a bit darker. Ear parts. here I'll take pink color, light pink color, children. Then here I'll take light blue color and just I'll shade it. That's it. Then for the legs you can use medium yellow. Here you can use medium yellow. So after coloring everything, what you have to do is, so after everything you have to take a tissue paper, then take a bit of tissue paper, then fold it properly, then you have to smudge it. So why we have to smudge this? Because see, you can see this, you can see the patches, light and dark patches, right? So we have to merge together. It should not be seen. Hard patches should not be seen. So that is why we'll use a tissue paper and we will smudge it. So how you have to smudge, I'll show you now. Observe neatly. Just you have to smudge it. Slowly you have to rub on the paper. That's it. Both light and dark you have to merge together. See, you have to rub on the paper so that it gives a very good look. So after coloring everything, and make sure you are coloring the background, okay? Coloring the background. So here I'll take dark pink color for the background. Very lightly you have to color the background. See children, after coloring the light pink, so what you have to do is, the next step is, see here, you have to make a bit darker, okay? Observe neatly. The full background you have to color very lightly. Use the same color what you have colored for the background, same with the same color pencil. Just you have to color a bit dark than the background, then you have to merge with that light color, okay? Observe neatly like how I am coloring. So after this, so we have finished coloring like this. Yes, now again you have to take a tissue paper and you have to merge with the background, okay? Just take tissue paper and you have to merge it, okay? It gives a very good look to your drawing, okay? Thank you so much. Do practice and show me next class.